In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a standing post slider in Elementor for free without any coding. Make sure you watch till the end so you can build it properly without any mistake. Alright, let's begin. Very fast, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and hover on plugins, click over here add plugin. Then from the right side top, just you have to search the free Elementor add-on whose name is Ultimate Post Kit. So type here Ultimate Post Kit. That's perfect. This is the free Elementor add-on which we are going to use in this tutorial. So click over here install now, then activate. After install and activated the add-on, you will be redirected to this area, and this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, new option is added in left side menu, Ultimate Post Kit. If you hover on it, then it shows multiple options. So just click over here Ultimate Post Kit, then it will be redirected to the add-on settings page. So click here Ultimate Post Kit. That's perfect, and this is the add-on settings page. And very fast, as you can see, dashboard tab is selected. Just you have to navigate to this tab, core widgets. That's why all free and pro widgets are showing here. In this tutorial, we are going to use only free add-on and free widgets. That's why you have to navigate to the free tab. You can see all tab is selected. Now click here and navigate to the free tab. That's perfect. As you can see, all free widgets are showing here. If you want, then you can bulk enable from the right side top. You can see activate all. Then again, if you want, then you can bulk deactivate it. So you have to click over here deactivate all. In this tutorial, I want to use only post slider or carousel. That's why I don't want to enable all widgets. Just I want to enable only carousel or post widget, so I have to do it one by one. And Alex carousel, click this toggle icon and enable it. Scroll down and check where is the carousel or slider. Okay, so in this way I can enable one by one. Okay, camix slider, then the crystal slider, carbon slider. Okay, check and enable all slider that you want to use. Then scroll up and click over here save settings. That's perfect. Settings saved successfully. Now go to the website and I want to add a new post slider section just under this hero section. So click over here and edit with Elementor. That's great. Scroll down and click this plus sign and take a new section. Okay, and very fast I want to give the section title, then the basic widget heading, just drag and drop here, and I can give here our latest post or our latest article. Okay, that's great. Now I can give padding for the section, like top will be 860 and bottom will be 60 as well. That's great. And from the left side top, click here plus icon add element. Okay, and just check where is the Ultimate Post Kit widget. So scroll down and check. Okay, you can see Ultimate Post Kit, and you can see all available carousel or slider are showing here. Scroll down and very fast I want to use it, like camix slider, drag and drop here. That's great. You can see it works perfectly. This is the height. I want to keep it as a default. Scroll down and show category. Actually, I don't want to show category here. So click this toggle button and disable or remove this category and author name. I don't want to show date as well. Show navigation. Definitely I want to show navigation for the slider. Okay, that's perfect. Query, if you want, then you can show all post slider, or if you want, then you can show any specific category post. Okay, so in this tutorial I want to show here only a specific category post. So click here include by, list this sign and terms. Okay, then type here the category name. I want to show here like sports category, so type here sports. This is the sports category. That's perfect. Scroll down, then the slider settings, you can see autoplay. Definitely I want to use it, and autoplay speed, if you want, then you can increase or decrease it from here. I want to keep it as default. From the right side top, publish it. Then again go to the website, refresh it and check it. That's great. You can see it works perfectly. Really, it unbelievable. I can do it with only free Elementor add-on. You can see it's really outstanding post slider. Again go to the Elementor editor and I want to check another slider. So again click this plus sign from the left side top, then scroll down and go to the ultimate post kit widget area. Okay, this is the ultimate post kit and I want to check like crystal slider. So drag and drop here. Okay, so you can see it works perfectly, and I don't want to show author, so remove the author name. Okay, date is perfect, so publish it from the right side top and again go to the website and refresh and check it. Yes, you can see it works perfectly as well. So in this way, if you want, then you can check the other post slider which you need, then you can use it. And that's it. This is how you can easily create a standing post slider in Elementor for free, step by step. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in the next video.